Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin crumble muffins. First we're going to prepare our muffin tins. Bye-bye. So as you've been with me before, we're going to mix together the dry ingredients first, which is some flour, baking soda, cinnamon, ground cloves, nutmeg, and some salt. We're going to whisk that up. We're going to set this off to the side. In another bowl, we're going to mix together some sugar, brown sugar, oil, vanilla extract, milk, eggs, and some pumpkin puree. You're going to whisk it up. Now we're going to bring back our dry mixture, and we're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry mixture. Okay, now time to mix everything together. Now we're going to add the batter to our muffin cases. Now let's move on to the crumble topping. First, we're going to melt our butter. Now we're going to add in some flour, sugar, brown sugar, and some cinnamon. We're going to mix it all together. We're going to sprinkle it over the muffins. I like to cover them in crumble topping, but you can do as little or as much as you want. Alright, now time to go in the oven. Now time for the glaze, which is some powdered sugar, milk, and some maple syrup. Mix it up. Time to drizzle. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we can't end this video without a taste test, so. This is amazing. I have to make these.